Right. So, as part of Guidewire building, when we are learning, especially when we want to make any kind of payments, especially from the service portal where uh, we want to contact any kind of payment processing for any customer account IDs or something, it's always important for us to have some API calls which are required to complete the payment request query on based on the payment account and as well as the payment date. In the process of understanding this, when we are trying to understand the process to contract payment process for any kind of new credit card account, all that, we need to update the required additional steps to obtain any kind of account details, right? So for any kind of service portals where we can submit a payment request, etc., all that. So in the process of updating this, being into the technical side, when we are working from the development side as a in the under the guideware billing, first of all, there are some steps we must be knowing, right? The steps I'm just mentioning here. The step one is about uh, yeah, using payment service. This is the first one normally we have, right? So using payment services is the first one. Before we are submitting any uh, payments to any kind of new cards which uses for the payment services to a service portal, we need to follow different steps we have to follow. Either any service portal we uses for guideware payments. Normally, this you can see it on the screen here, right? So, like because this SDK will be displayed on iframe, which majorly gathers all the credit card information from the consumer. In continuation to that, whatever the Guideware payment SDK that we are updating will be returning an ID to the service portal where whatever the service portal we are using for the ID. Normally, we use a customer payment profile field. That's what something that we have to be updated. Followed by service portal will generate the customer profile fields. This is the first step. Normally, we see, right? So using payment service is the first one. Second is about using authorize.net, right? So this is second one. We know because before when we are submitting any kind of payment to any credit card which uses authorization.net, service portal will complete the step something like displays all the authorized.net iframe so that consumers can provide the credit card information to authorized.net. At the same time, this authorize.net will also returns the customer profile field and as well as customer payment profile fields, all that. So these are the two major steps normally we have to be taken whenever there is any kind of process to contact payment process for any new credit card accounts that we are managing. These are the two major steps we follow. One is about the using payment service and second is about using authorized.net. Majorly this authorized.net where when we are managing any service portals. So there we will be using it.